We'll guide you through how to adjust text size in Picsart. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your Picsart and give it a moment to load so everything works smoothly. After it opens, log in or sign in to your Picsart account so you can reach the tools you need. When you finish logging in, go to the option that says Start with a photo or video, because that is the section where you can begin a new project. Once you are there, select Background to create a blank canvas, since this will give you a clean space to work with. After you pick background, go ahead and select the white color so you end up with a simple blank white canvas. Wait a moment until the canvas loads completely so the tools respond without delay. When the canvas is ready, scroll the menu below until you see the text button, because that is where you can place new text on the canvas. Select the text button once you find it. A text bar will appear, and you can input your text inside that bar by typing anything you want to show on the canvas. After that, if you want to adjust the text size, you have two clear options that you can use whenever you need. The first option is to press the right down corner of the text box. Hold it and move it around to make the text smaller or bigger, and this method lets you see every change right away. The second option is to scroll through the edit menu below and look for font size. When you find font size, select it and then increase or decrease the value based on your needs. Keep adjusting the value until you find the right size that feels correct for your design. If the size still feels off, repeat the steps slowly until the text sits neatly on the canvas. Adjusting text size can take a little patience at first, but once you get used to it, the process becomes simple.